iOS 16 comes with an incredible set of personalization features, fresh and completely new. There is an all-new lock screen. They are bringing the biggest update ever to the lock screen. The AI magic now enables iPhone to separate the subject from the background. Notice how the time appears behind the subject in the photo. Holding on the lock screen enables you to enter edit mode. There itself, swiping brings several presets, but Apple allows you to change the style of individual elements also. There is a widget support enabled for lock screen. It allows you to set multiple lock screen and choose anyone among them. And check this out, a kind of downgraded version of Xiaomi's super wallpapers, isn't it? They also have reimagined how notifications appear on the lock screen. They extended focus experience to the lock screen. Now there are focus filters too, and that help you filter out distractive contents. Messages now enable you to edit sent messages. They even allow you to unsend messages. You can now mark any message as unread if you don't have any time to reply. From FaceTime, you can now jump into SharePlay experiences, discover apps that already support SharePlay. SharePlay now takes off beyond FaceTime and comes to messages. Now you can chat and watch movies together at the same time. Pause and play are synced instantaneously across devices. There are updates to dictation that allows you to dictate while the keyboard is open, so that you can text and dictate alternatingly. You can also select a text and replace it with something else just by speaking. Punctuations and automatic emojis make typing much easier on iPhone. Both work over Siri too. Live text is now available on videos. You can now convert currency and translate foreign languages instantly. Now you can instantly pick up subjects and send them over messages. The subjects of pictures can be instantly picked up just like that and send them, and you can send them over messages. Wallet now aims to go completely paperless, allowing you to store your ID, driver's license and more. Enhanced privacy shares only the required information and nothing more. Now you can share your keys with your friends and family easily. With Apple Pay Later, you can now pay for products for up to 4 months with easy equal installments. No interest, fees, nothing. All upcoming payments are managed through the wallet, making it easier to see your expenses. They are also introducing order tracking across Apple Pay purchases. Apple's redesigned maps are now available for 11 more countries. They have taken it to the next level with unprecedented amount of details of road elevation, land cover, improved driving and transit navigation and more. They have added Las Vegas, and before the end of the year, they will add more cities which will look gorgeous in Apple Maps. Now you can plan with up to 15 stops on Apple Maps. Apple Maps can now store previous routes in recents, so that you can easily find them. You can set them on your Mac and send them to your iPhone whenever you are ready to go. Siri now can add additional stops to your route. You can pay for transit using your wallet. With live activities, the Apple TV app brings you scores and play-by-play action right on your lock screen. You can follow your favorite teams and leagues to get stories from hundreds of best publishers in all new section called the My Sports. You can also find scores, schedules, and standings for the top professional and college sports leagues and highlights too. Now you can even catch the best plays from your favorite teams right in your newsfeed. From favorites, and your favorites are seamlessly synced with the Apple TV app and across your Apple devices. This new sports experience is completely free. And when you subscribe to Apple News Plus, you get the premium sports coverage from many local newspapers. Some updates to family sharing are also there. With family sharing, you can now share your favorite purchases and subscription to up to 5 of your family members, including Apple Music, iCloud Plus, Apple One, and much more. Everyone gets personalized access to their favorite content without having to buy their own subscription or share the same account. And for households with kids, you can now create just for them and built-in parental control to help you monitor their screen time and approve their purchases. They're adding a new easy way to set appropriate age restrictions for apps, movies, books, and musics. They're also making the setup of a new device for your child very simple, for example, an iPad. And when your child asks for more screen time, you don't have to navigate to settings to approve or deny their request. You can now respond right in messages. They are introducing iCloud Shared Photo Storage Library to help you share photos seamlessly and even automatically. You can participate in one shared library, and that's shared with up to 5 other people. They have made it simpler to share just the photos you want from your library. A new switch right in the camera sends shots straight to the shared library as you take them. You can choose to have sharing switch enabled automatically whenever you take shots with other family members of the shared library nearby. You will also receive intelligent sharing suggestion in For You tab. Everyone has equal permission for adding, editing and deleting photos in shared library. Contents in the shared library will appear in everyone's memories, featured photos and in photo widgets. The all-new safety check helps you stop sharing your location with others via Find My and resets the system privacy permission for all apps whenever you need. It also protects access to your messages by helping you sign out of iCloud on all of the other devices. So that's all for this video. Do like, share and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. If you find this video useful, do comment down below and then I will create more videos like this related to Apple events. That's all. Thanks a ton for watching.